Welcome back to a quick video on the driveway. Today we are going to fit a short shifter. I got this for my birthday. Thanks, Mum. We are just going to do a quick video of fitting this onto this to improve this. Join me, won't you? So at the minute, let's go do a quick measurement. First gear, the throw to the top, let's say 3.5 inches to the middle of that. Oh, 4 inches. 4 inches, say. Or should we do it from the top? 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters to the front of that gear stick in first gear. Second, blimey, let's pull more of that out. Gee, it's even longer. It's like 22 centimeters. Right, let's see if we can do that. So 8 centimeters from there, and then 22 centimeters from there. Let's get to it. Luckily this is easy to pop out. Yep, didn't want to do it that way per se. I wanted to do it this way. Oh, maybe I should just take that out then. I didn't put that in very well. This is not easy one-handed. Right, well, I'm just going to take this off. I'm going to slide all that off. I'll bring you back. So that's off. I think I can that pop out. Yep, that just pops out. Brilliant. Got to take this off. I haven't got a torch, but I'm going to pop that out down there. Just that little bung. I'll bring you back once I've got this little bugger off, and then we'll get to the hardware. So I ended up taking this out of trim on off to give me a little bit of extra room, and then I used a screwdriver just to pop that off of there. And what we're going to do now is I think I just got to just get that. I'm just going to pop that out of that groove and then put the hardware in. Right, so I've slotted that in. Going to nip that up now, tighten it up, and then I'm going to add the next bracket and raise that one up there. And then we'll put it all back together and we will check our measurements to see if there is or is not any improvement. Just nipping down the last ones. Shit. Obviously you want these kind of tight, but you don't want to go to Snapsville, Tennessee because that would be a problem. Alright, that should do it. Should put some Loctite on them. We'll just pretend I've done the Loctite. Right, let's get our cable back in. It's going to be a tricky one to film, but I've got to get it in that slot just there. Right, I'll bring you back when I've done it. Right, so that is on. So that bone there has got like a bit you pull back. It's like a spring bit, and you pull it back and it slots on. It's the same to get it off. You sort of pull it back and then it lifts out. That's on there. And first thoughts? Yeah, I think it's an improvement, but let's get the measuring tape and crunch the numbers. Right, so we're back together. And what did we say? The first gear was something like 8 centimeters to the top. It's now, whoa, it's barely moved. Like, I mean, it's massively shorter. The throw was up to 8 centimeters, I believe. 8 centimeters. It's now something like 11. And then that one was, what's that? 20. Let me just double check what that was a minute ago. Right, so I just reviewed the tape, the camera, the phone, the footage. I just reviewed the footage, and yeah, massive difference on the throw. So it used to be 8 centimeters away from here. It's now like in first, so we put it in first. I did to the button to that. It's now like 11 centimeters. So that's like 3 centimeters less travel, quick maths. And then second gear was 22 centimeters away. It is now, we'll be generous, it's 20 centimeters away. So it's 2 centimeters less this way, 3 centimeters less that way. That's 5 centimeters, quick maths, less travel. And OMG, I feel like a race driver. Massive improvement, done on a budget, and you could do yourself on the driveway like I just did. So I'm just going to take it for a quick blip down the road. Holy smokies! Swap the cars around. Got a car show coming up next weekend, and I need to get them both ready, and that means cleaning and polishing. And this one's kind of clean, so back to the Fiesta. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.